Using MSFvenom, you can create more complicated malware. Doing this, you may suppose it will not be easy for the security systems to recognize the malware. Look at the examples seen in the slide. You can use -E parameter to encode the payload. You can use MSFvenom-L encoders to see the list of encoders. With the -I parameter, you can encode the payload several times. In this example, it was 10 times. -K is used to preserve the template behavior and inject the payload as a new thread. If you use this option, the size of the output file becomes a bit bigger than the template file. But do not forget that you are still using a standard Metasploit payload. Let's take a closer look at the listener. If you use a payload with a reverse connection, also known as a connect back, you, the attacker, have set up a listener first on your box. The victim or target machine acts as a client connecting to that listener, and then finally you receive the session. Exploit/multi/handler module of Metasploit framework is used to collect and manage multiple sessions from different platforms. You can see the detailed options of the handler using Show Advanced command. If you set exit on session false, the handler continues to listen when an active session is killed. Set the same payload with the malware and set the option of the payload. If you run the handler using the exploit-J command, the handler runs in the background. When a session is opened, a message appears. Use session-L command to list the active sessions. To activate a session, use session-I command with the ID number of that session. You can use background command to send the session background. Use session-K with session ID to kill a session. If you use -K uppercase K parameter, you kill all captured sessions.